Oh my goodness, gang. I had to call tech support on this problem, and I have run into this every time where I get a chief architect model from a Canvas scan, and it's frustrated me to no end that the walls edit handle are to the inside drywall surface. And even if I draw my own wall type, it goes there too. Uh, Little quick phone call with tech support, and he had to check with some of his buddies. There is a setting, default settings. I've got the icon right there. You can go to edit default settings, and under walls, general wall, I'm going to double click resize about. Inner surface makes sense because Canvas is scanning to inner surfaces, but I'm going to measure and resize about my main layer outside. That's where it generally comes up with my templates, at least. Maybe not yours. But there you go. Main layer outside, that's what I want. Click OK, done. Select the wall, and there my edit handle is to the outside of the stud. That's what was missing. Hope that helps. See you next time.